Come test drive the 2023 Corsair. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.